Good morning, children. Today we will solve our exercise check your progress. Problem number second. In problem number 2, given that in the given figure, angle A and angle D are right angles. You have also given that such type of figures. Here this type of figure given that name A, E, D, C and B. Okay, and also given that this side is equal to this side. Okay, side BE is equal to side EC given in this figure. Angle A and angle D are right angles. Here also given that angle A and angle D, angle A and angle D are right angles, and BE is equal to C. Also given that BE is equal to C. Here given that BE is equal to CE. Okay. If E is the midpoint of AD, here also given that E is the midpoint of AD. If E is the midpoint of AD, then we have to show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle DCE. Okay, and prove that AB is equal to DC, and we have to also prove AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. Okay, AB is equal to DC, and we have to prove that also triangle ABE is congruent to triangle DCE. Okay, so this triangle is congruent to this triangle when the two sides and one angle of the triangle are same. Here you can see that angle A is equal to angle D. Given that this is the first situation, and second also we are given that B is equal to C. Here also given that B is equal to C. Okay, this is the second condition. Here angle are same, here side are same in both the triangles. Now if E, here you have to write, if E is the midpoint of the side AD, then AE is equal to D. Okay, this is the third condition of this congruency rule. So we can say that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDE. Okay, so we have to prove. Here we have to prove triangle ABE is congruent to triangle DCE, that is congruent to triangle DCE. Okay, and we have to also prove that AB is equal to DC. by congruency rule, we find that AE is equal to DE and angle A is equal to angle D. Then this side is equal to this side. So also from this AB is equal to DC. From the above equation, we get side AB is equal to side DC. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. Now again, here another problem number 3. In problem number 3, you have to also given that this type of figure given that A, B, this is point C, this point D, and this point will be E. Okay? Here given that in the adjacent figure, triangle ABC, here triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC, is an equilateral triangle. You know that in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are same. You have to also write here in equilateral triangle. We know that all three sides are same. All the three sides are same. So here also given that, and C is the midpoint of D. Here C is the midpoint of D, and C is the midpoint of DE. C is the midpoint of DE. Angle DAC and angle EBC are equal and supplementary. And also here given that angle DAC is equal to angle EBC are equal and supplementary. So we have to prove that triangle DAC is congruous to triangle EBA. Okay. So for this, we have to prove that triangle DAC is congruous to triangle EBA. So for this, you know that in both the triangle, here you can see that also this condition. First condition is given that side AC is equal to side BC. AC is equal to BC. And also given that here C is the midpoint of D. So if C is the midpoint of D, then from this statement B can say that CD is equal to CE. Here also given that CD is equal to CE. Okay. And from here also given that angle DAC is equal to angle EBC. Angle DAC, this angle is equal to angle EBC. Here. So this is the third condition. So from here D can say this triangle is congruent to this triangle. From you have to write this here. First condition, AC is equal to BC. Given that AC is equal to BC here, given that, and again by property of equilateral triangle. You have also write this here, and again CD is equal to CE, given that CD is equal to CE. Okay, in second also here, because C is the midpoint of D. Okay, and also here angle DAC, third angle DAC is equal to angle CBA, Okay, this is the third condition. Here side angle. So angle ACD, triangle ACD, from these three equations, from these B can say that triangle DAC is equal to is congruence to triangle CBE. Okay, so this we have to prove, which is the required solution of this problem. Again here given that problem number 4, so here you can do this 4, 5 and 6 and BC, these 3 problems next day. Thank you children, stop writing because time is over. Thank you.